Hello. It is a good morning. What's up? I've never heard that. You go, hi, Yayo. Good morning. Yes, it's a good morning. It is. You like your... Yeah. Oh, that's my favorite. You do so many little tricks. Hello. I'll send this to your email. Yeah, because you're a good boy. Yeah, see ya.
There we go, Miss Rox.
Hey, Rox. Oh, I knew he'd laugh. I'm gonna bust you out of here, little boots. Say thanks, Kelly. Thanks, Kelly. Yeah, yeah, I got my little buddy back. Hello. I got my little buddy back. So I'm gonna go pee. Okay? Yeah, I'll be back. You can laugh. You can laugh.
So your total for today is 356.
I'm fine. Hey, little buddy. I want to see you. That's a good one. So, it is a good morning. You make me go way out of tune. Good morning. When you go, do your, That's the funniest one. That and do you have an appointment?